The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has issued a list of incentives and disincentives pertaining to the vehicle scrappage policy. These incentives and disincentives are aimed at encouraging vehicle owners to discard their old and polluting vehicles. As an incentive, there will be a waiver of the fee for the issue of a certificate of registration for a new vehicle purchased against the certificate of deposit issued by the registered vehicle scrappage facility. Meanwhile, buyers will have to shell out 5,000 rupees more for renewing their registration if their vehicle is over 15 years old. In comparison, the cost of registering a new vehicle will be 600 rupees. There will also be an increase in the fee for conducting fitness tests for vehicles more than 15 years old. The new norms will be applicable from April 2022. Mercedes-Benz India has announced nearly doubling its sales volume in the third quarter of the calendar year 2021. Between July and September, the company sold 4,101 units in India, achieving a 99% growth compared to 2,060 units sold during the same period last year. Do note that supply constraints in the post-lockdown period hampered sales for automakers in 2020. Nevertheless, between January and September 2021, Mercedes-Benz India's total sales stood at 8,958 units. Out of this, 4,857 units were sold between January and June 2021, while the remaining 4,101 units were sold in the third quarter of the year. Mercedes revealed that the A-Class and the GLA were its high-volume products during the quarter, while it has been witnessing equal demand for sedans and SUVs in its portfolio. The state-run oil marketing companies hiked fuel rates for the second consecutive day. With new prices coming into effect, petrol and diesel prices have touched all-time highs across the country. In Delhi, petrol became dearer by 30 paise per litre, while diesel price hiked by 35 paise per litre. Customers in Delhi will now have to pay 102 rupees and 94 paise per litre for petrol and 91 rupees and 42 paise per litre for diesel. In Mumbai, petrol is inching towards the 109 rupees mark, currently priced at 108 rupees and 96 paise per litre. Meanwhile, diesel costs 99 rupees and 17 paise per litre. As for other metros, petrol prices received a hike of 26 paise, whereas diesel rates witnessed a hike of 34 paise. In places like Rajasthan's Sri Ganganagar, customers now pay up to 114 rupees and 92 paise for a litre of petrol and 105 rupees and 35 paise for a litre of diesel, which is one of the highest in the country.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.